I gave the home assignment 3 as homework. Is that clear? And any question you want to know? I mean, some students wrote me on the WhatsApp that they want to know the question number 2nd, right? So what the question number 2nd? I am telling this the question number 2nd, home assignment 3. What the questioner is saying, you may see this is the page number 10. You may see for solving these questions you must have the SenQuest study material. I just want to assure you that the questions are not actually different here. These questions actually we have adopted from the CBSE and NCERT guidelines. Right now, the first question, verify that number giving alongside of the cubic polynomials below are the zeros. They are 0. We need to verify here. So simple. How can we verify this? If you had done this question here, I am talking about this question. Okay. So how can we do this question? It's very simple. The question number first I am talking about. Okay. You first have to note down p of x, the polynomial x is there. Okay. What I am talking to, the polynomial x is there. Clear, guys? So what is the next then? And then p of x, the p of x is x cube minus 4 of x square and plus 5 of x minus 2 is there also. Clear? Okay. So what we can understand with this, that solutions to be there. Wait a minute please. Okay, the polynomial first is to be taken this is okay. Now look this, px, the polynomial first is to be taken as this question we are solving. Solution number first, what is px is given here? The px is before you x cube minus 4 of x square plus 5x minus 2. Okay, and our alongside numbers are these. You may see this. Okay, so first we will find out p of 2. You will obtain here. What answer will come here? Then you will find out p of 1. Okay, and again you will solve, and here you will find out p of again 1. This could be minus 1 also there. Okay, and proceed it. If this is coming 0, so you will write here, since p of 1 is equal to 0 coming here, then you will write here, then x is equal to 1 is it's a 0, is a 0, is a 0. Is that clear? This is simple method to solve it. Clear, guys? Understood you? Now second question, but the second is there. You may see. Look at this please. This is, and further verification is to be done here. What the verification you will do here? The verification simply you will do, you will suppose here for the verification, how the verification is to be done in the same manner. You may see the first, the questionnaire is there, the verification is to be done alpha plus beta
यहाँ भेज
Okay, so what is that? The question next, the value is to be put here this as, and after that you will suppose they are, let verification is to be done here this. How the verification is to be done? You will suppose let alpha is equal to, first is what, 2, and beta is equal to 1 you will suppose, and gamma is equal to 1 you will suppose. Okay, and for that later you will just find out the sum of zeros. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a comes. If minus b by a comes, then it is verified. So what alpha you have supposed to, what is beta here, this also, what is b from this? You may say this is the cubic polynomial. Okay, so this coefficient, this coefficient is said to be, right guys, this the number aside b is this, so it's a minus 4 is there, and what is a is nothing else. Okay, so it shall be what, 2 plus 1 plus 4, and here is 4 also. So you will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it's verified here. Is that clear guys? Understood you? So well, what is that, the polynomials is also there, clear? And further later, what the next question is there? The question yesterday I gave you was there, where it is? Yes, these questions are. The second question also, if the zero of the polynomial are these, what is the polynomial here? Okay, you may see what the polynomial is. This is a polynomial. The polynomial is x cube. Solution number 2, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. This is a polynomial. Okay, it's a px here. You suppose here this is px. Now we have to find out its alpha beta. So alpha beta, since it's a zeros are, what zeros are here? It's a minus b and a, or it's a plus b. Okay, so this is alpha, and this is what, please tell me, beta, and what this is, please tell me, gamma. Here we will write alpha plus beta is equal to, so obviously you may see there is expression, what is it saying? So from any cubic polynomial, regarding the terms, from a cubic polynomial regarding terms, what information do we get? We just get the information for sum of the zeros we can obtain. So we'll find out, since sum of 0 alpha plus beta gamma is equal to minus b by a will obtain. Okay, so what is alpha? We have suppose it's a minus b is given. Okay, it's a minus b, and what is beta is there, a, and what is gamma is there, a plus b is equal to, what next is minus b. Don't be confused here, this a and b are the symbol for the standard representation of b and a, right? So what the b is here, you may see this is b here. Okay, this is b, so b is what, minus 3, and what is a, 1 is there. Okay, so you to solve the left hand side, how is to be solved here? This plus b minus b cancels, and it's a plus a, what shall be it is, the next 3 times a will occur here, 3 times a, and this is plus minus 3. So what will be a here? Yes, the a will occurs here 1. Okay, a is coming 1. If you have obtained the value of a 1, so find the value of others also. What information about the zeros we can get from the polynomial? The information alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. This information we can get here. So what is that? Alpha is what? Obviously about the alpha we can get the information, alpha is what, a minus b. Okay, and it's a also, or it's a plus b is equal to minus d by a. Clear? So this is to be multiplied here. What is the value of a we found here? 1 minus b, and a here also, and it's a plus b exactly is equal to minus d by a. So what is d from the given polynomial? The d, you may see, what is d? The last term is there, d. This is d. Okay, the d is minus 1, and a is what? A is also 1. It shall be. So here 1 minus this is same type it is, and there is to be placed here, and here is to be placed 1 it is. Okay. So 1 plus b, 1 minus b square, and here the value 1 is there, or it's minus 1, and further is to be solved here. 1 minus b square is equal to 1 minus 1, and later b square is equal to minus 1, minus 1, it shall be minus 2 minus b square also, minus minus cancel, and b square is equal to 1. So what the next is, so b is equal to under root 1 is there. Okay. So it shall be plus minus 1. So what the value of b is there, so obviously value of a we found here, a is equal to 1. Now under root 2 is there, sorry, by mistake I have been done this, it shall be 1 plus 1, 2 will be there. Okay. Wait a minute please, minus 2, minus cancels, here minus cancels, wait a minute please, it's minus 2, and after that what shall come next, b square is equal to 2. So b is equal to plus minus root 2. So your answer is, the value of a you found 1 and the value of b you found 2. Is that clear, guys? So this is a very simple way of solving that question. Remember you this. Okay. So next question, and some people, the question number 3rd is also too difficult here. Some of the students have the 3rd but unable to find out and want to know the answer by me. So this is very simple question, however it could be difficult here more, right? I am telling this how could be done these questions. Okay, I am telling this. Now see, read the question. What is the question saying here? Okay. Look, the question number what I am talking to, question number, wait a minute please, yes, this question, 3rd question that people wants to know. Okay. So what the 3rd question is saying here, the 3rd question is very simple. It is that I am telling to, if this polynomial is to be taken here, this polynomial I am talking about, clear? So it's this saying here, this is saying this polynomial is divided by, this is divided by another polynomial, this polynomial is dividing it. Okay, what is the name of this polynomial? X square minus 2x, and the remainder comes out. So here what information is given here, solution, okay, solution, what is given here to, p of x is equal to p of x is equal to, what is that p of x is equal to? Wait a minute please, there's something wrong. Okay, what is that I'm telling you? Okay, look at this. So what is px? Question number 3rd we are solving. Here px is what the px is given. Px is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube and plus 16x square and minus 25x plus 10. This is px. And gx, the dividend is also given, x square minus 2x and plus k, and the remainder rx is also given. It's x plus a. Okay, so everybody knows the process of divisions, how the division is to be done. So I think division process is to be done here. This here px is written and here gx is written, and here what will, here the remainder will come, and here the qx, a quotient will come. Okay, so the questioner is saying that the question is saying here, you may see that this is divided by another polynomial. This, what is that here, k is there. This is to be dividing, is to divide. Okay, and comes out remainder this. So find a value of k and a, we are to find out. So operations to be done in this. If the remainder, if this is dividing here and remainder is coming this, so really the remainder will come here with this x plus a. Where from this x a come? Since x a is unknown here, so we cannot find out the value. So the process of division will do the same here. Okay, the process of divisions will do here as it is. Okay, I'm telling this how the process of division is to be done. Look please, the process of division. So x to the power 4 minus 6x to the power 2 plus 16x square, and further next what, minus 25x and plus 10 also there. Clear? And what the next is x to the power 2x plus k also. Clear? And what, here the coefficient, what is the degree difference between them? The degree difference is 2. Okay, this is to multiply here x to the power 4 minus 2x cube and kx square. Here kx square will come. Okay, since it is the degree same here, so we have to write under the same, but it's carrying k, so it cannot easily be solved. So another method I am telling to use this. What is that? You just have to write aside here. Just go on write to write the expression in very we can say speak here this. Furthermore, you just have to write here. Okay, very closer here. Here has to be written. What is that? It's a k time x square is there and whole. And now next this k is to be multiplied, x square k plus k x square. Okay, so it's minus, or it's minus also, it's cancel, minus 6 time and plus 4 time. Okay, so what shall be 2 time, minus 4 time x square will occur and it will negative. Bring down the remaining term, 16x square minus 25x and plus 10 and remaining what, and plus minus kx square, again the procedure of division is to be done here. What is the coefficient? 1. And what is here? Minus 4 the coefficient. Degree difference is what? I think it's a cube is there. Wait a minute please. This is square, this is also to be cube here. So degree difference is what? 1. 4x is to be multiplied, minus 4x cube, and 4 2s are what? 8, minus plus 8x square, and later 4kx is there, 4kx. Clear? Again, so but where should I write here? This is the degree of 1, the degree of x is 1, so here this is to be written, but due to k I am writing this isolately. Clear? Now changing the sign here, what is that? Is positive, it's negative and negative, so it cancels, and 16 time minus 8 time, how much is this? It's 18 time. Furthermore is to be done. Yeah, 8 and 16, 8 will come here. This, of course, 8 will come here. Okay, so 8 time x square is coming. Positive, negative, positive. It's 25x plus 10 and minus k of x square and minus, what is that? 4x, 4kx. Okay, now what is the degree of the remaining here? Its a degree of remaining is 2. You may see there is this. Okay, this not to be written here, this minus s here. Okay, minus kx square, minus kx square. Clear? So here the degree 2 and here the degree 2. And what is the degree of divisor? The degree of divisor is also 2. So, it is remainder? No, this is not remainder. Once more is to be divided it. Okay. So, what again it's the coefficient is what? 8, the coefficient is there. Okay. So, 8 will be divided by 1. 8 will be divided by 1, 8 will come here. So, where is to write here 8? Here 8 is to be written, clear? And degree difference nothing. 8 into 8x square is there. Okay. 8x square. 8x square. 8x square minus, and what next is 8 16 kx. Okay, 8 2s are 16, it's a 16x is coming, and 8k is also there, minus 8k. This is without x terms is occurring here, clear? And further is to be done. What next? It's minus, it's plus, it's minus, plus also, it's cancel, and remaining what here? Minus 9 of x and plus 10 on minus k of x square and 4kx and plus 8k, clear? Again we'll see what is the degree this. So you will speak its degree set 2, again the degree is occurring here. So this is to be written as again minus k is to be there. Okay, so coefficient minus k. So k time x is kx square is there, kx square, and what next? This k into 2x, k into 2x. This is to multiplied here all. Okay, in this will remember please. K into 2x, 2kx, 2kx, positive 2kx or negative 2kx, negative positive 2kx, and k into k, k square. So further is to be done this. What the next coming? So remaining terms are minus 9x plus 10 and minus kx. The question is too longer. Is that clear? It's what is that? Negative or positive? So positive here, it will be negative. So positive will come here. It's minus and it's plus. It's cancel here. So this term will not come 4. Okay. And here what? Minus 4kx plus 2. What is that? So 2 time minus, so 2 time and 4 time. It shall be how many time please? 6 time there, kx, and later, and plus 8 is also there, 8kx and minus k square. And what is the degree of this is coming? Some student speaks that the degree is coming 2. No, it's not a degree 2. To see this, no, this is k is a constant, and here the x is occurring once, means term of single degree are occurring here. So we'll speak here this is a remainder. Why? Because the degree of this divisor is 2. Okay, so remainder is coming here. So what is the remainder we are obtaining? So your this is remainder. Okay, so this can be arranged as r of x is equal to minus 9x plus 10 minus 6kx. There's some can be done. Okay, so what is 6kx plus 8kx? What's wrong with that? 6k and 80kx plus 2kx will come here. And how this is coming? This coming is multiplication kx square. Okay, and here is 2kx, 9x, 6kx. There is something wrong, I think. No, it's not 8kx. This is 8k only. Okay, and here plus k only, right? So here we'll just write 9 time x plus 10 minus 6kx plus 8k plus k square also, clear? And here the terms xx, so it's minus common, 9 no, 9 is not common, so x is common, 9 plus 6k, and here's non k plus it's a 10 plus 8k plus k square, clear? This is, so what type of polynomial is coming here? You may see this is the term of x, this is without x, so this type of pattern is coming here, ax plus b. So what type of polynomial is coming here? The degree is 1. Okay, and it's saying but remainder, he's saying the remainder is not this here. Okay, but what the remainder is, rx is I think here given Rx you may see. What the Rx is? Rx is x plus a. This is x plus a. Clear? So Rx is x plus a. Here minus x and 9 plus 16 6k and what next is, and plus 10 into 10 plus 8k plus k square is equal to x plus a. You may see. Okay, so this is linear also. It's linear, it's also linear. So what is the coefficient of this? 1. So its coefficient is also 1 here. Clear? Negative is also. So minus of 6k is equal to 1. Further is to be done. Minus is to be transferred here. 9k, 6k, and what next is there? I think here minus is to be there. Okay, minus to be taken common. No, there is something wrong. 6kx. Where 6kx? Minus 6kx. Okay, and plus 8k there. So what is that? 6kx is negative. So we have taken common minus. Okay, so it shall be minus. So 6k is equal to minus 10 is there. K is equal to what? 10 by 6. There is something wrong. 10 by 6 cannot come here. This. Okay, in the division process there is something wrong. We check the division process again. Okay, the division process is what? The division process here look, x to the power 4, yeah, minus 6x cube plus 16, 25 and 10x. We are dividing it by the x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so coefficient x square, okay, x to the power 4 and x 2x cube and kx square is correct it is, and further cancels. Minus 6 4 time is coming and 16 time x square and minus 25 10 and minus k is correct here, the first step. Second step, minus 4, yeah, degree difference 1. Okay, minus 4k x square minus plus 4 to the 8 x square or minus k x. Yeah, this is wrong, something else. Okay guys, that is the one mistake we have. So 4x is to multiplied here plus minus 4kx is there. Okay, here will minus 4kx. Okay, so minus it will be plus will come here. Okay, what the next then? Again it's cancel, bring down the 16 time x square, 8 time x square, so plus 8 time minus 25x plus 10 and minus kx square and plus minus there, plus will come here, this 4kx. Okay, again its coefficient is 8x square and 8 to the 16 is to be there. Okay, and 8k minus 8k plus 8k minus 8k. Okay, and further 8 cancels, minus 16 plus minus 9 is there, plus 10 minus kx square plus 4k plus 4kx. Okay, 4kx, the mistake is to be highlighted here. Okay, plus 4kx and plus 8k. Again the degree is there. What is the degree? K. So k is to be divided kx square and k is to be multiplied here minus 2k plus 2kx. Where plus 2k? It's correct here, plus 2k, and k into k minus k square. Correct it is. Now it's cancels, minus 9 times plus 10. This is this here and this cancels, plus and minus 2kx square will come in this. Is that clear? You check here what is the correction here. So you will make this is we can speak here this. It's not come here this will come here 2. Okay, so write down here 2 minus 2 and now solve please. Opt an answer. Yes, found the answer here. Okay, there is some disturbance. Okay. Now look this. So what is that come here? So 2kx is also there, and 2kx, where the 2kx here is to be changed here. This is 2. Here will come 2. Okay. Now 6 here, minus 2 or plus 2, minus 2 or plus 2, plus 2kx will come here. Okay. So plus 2kx means here plus has to come here and plus has to come here. So in this place, what will come here? So this is k, this is k. So this minus must not come. Here will come minus and here will come plus. Okay, and 2 will also come. Is that clear? Now the question is correct here. So what is that? Rx is equal to, this is the coefficient of x here, or here the coefficient of x. So this is to be taken as, now further, yeah, this is to be removed. Is this here, this is here, and this is. So it's what coming? It's a minus plus 2k here minus plus 2k and minus plus 2k, and this will transfer here. So it shall what? This is not negative. Seen this. So what is that? You may look this. What the answer is coming here? Yeah, minus. This minus is actually will not come here. Okay, this minus will not come. So it shall be plus 10, and here will not come. It's a 2k will come. 2. So k will be here. What is 2? K is equal to 10 by 2, and it's positive. Okay. So what is k? K is coming here 5. Okay. Now if the 5, this is coming k. So this now its a is to be found out here. So what is a? This is the without x term. So without x term is this. So equating, this is called equating the coefficients of x. So 10 plus 8k plus k square, and it's a. So k is to be put here. It's a positive or negative or somewhere else. You may see positive or negative. I think the sign is to also be changed here. Where is that? You may see there is minus 2kx. Okay. So what is that? Similarly, you will find out the value here. Okay. This is minus k. So minus is to come here. This you will check the answer here. Minus. Okay. Here one of them will come minus, here minus will come. Okay. So 5 k will you put here, this minus, it's a 10 and 5 8s are 40, negative 40 will come here, and its 5 5s are 25, and let's say 25 plus this 35 minus 40. What shall it be? It will be a is equal to minus 5. So actually the difficulty with this question is the too lengthy question. This is means the quite even the question is so much big, so it's not coming on the screen. So we just take what the sign must come there, right? But you will appreciate again this in your copy. Okay, this will help you to solve the questions also. Now look the question next, please. What the questions are here? Question number 3 is also the same. Okay, x plus a we have solved. Question number 4, alpha beta the zeros of the quadratic polynomial such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Find the value of k. Same what you will obtain from the quadratic polynomial. From a quadratic polynomial, what you will obtain? It's very simple. I am telling this what you will obtain from the quadratic polynomial. From a quadratic polynomial, you will obtain there is the question is this question we are solving. Okay, so polynomial is what? Since polynomial is p of x is equal to kx square and plus 4x and plus 4, clear? And what we are to find out? We are to find out, we have given alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. So we are to find out k. From a quadratic polynomial, what do we obtain? We obtain sum of zeros, that is minus b upon a, sum of zeros. What is b here? The b may say it's a 4, and what is a? It's a k. So this is one relationship coming. Second relationship, alpha into beta we obtain, it's a c by a. Alpha into beta is equal to what is c? 4 divided by k, you may say. So we have alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Using these, we just need to calculate this one. Okay, so how can we calculate this? Please tell me. It's very simple. I am telling you to calculate this. Since you have been given alpha square plus beta square is equal to a square plus b square, there alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta. Okay, and put here the value what? It's you will put here 4k, 4 by k, and here you will put what? 4 by k also. Is that clear? And here what is given here? 24. And if you will solve, you will obtain the value k. Is that clear? 4 by k, 4 by k. This is a simple method to find out the answer, right guys? So we'll solve this in the same manner here. In your assignment of the day, yours is the question number 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 you will solve again. 5, 6, 7. Fifth this question you will do. No, where is that? Yeah, it is 5, 6 and well, only 5, 6 question you will do this. I will check this one. Okay guys, if you can't solve this, you will tell me this. Thank you, Rachna.